Hello friends, welcome to the next tutorial of this module. Today, in this tutorial, we are going to do a live practical of local file inclusion on this website. So over here, first we'll turn on the intercept and capture the request. Let's refresh. This is a request. We'll first send it to Spider. As you can see, Spider is running. Let's go to target and check show all in scope items. Let's select this. Let's spider this host and let's search here for link. Let's search this one. Let's send it to repeater. Now let's hit go and check the response of this request. Response is OK. Now let's change apartment.php and apartment value. Let's put hello1 and hello2 over here. Let's hit go. Let's see over here if we are able to find the search. Yes, hello1 is being reflected over here. Now let's send this request to intruder. This is the website. Let's first clear the positions and add position to apartment.php which was reflecting. Now payload type is simple list and we'll upload a txt file which is having /etc folder. We'll start the attack. This attack will take some time to complete, so let's wait for some time. Or we can just simply double click length and we can select this one, right click, show response in browser, copy, turn off the intercept. Let's paste this over here. Now as you can see over here, we have successfully found local file inclusion vulnerability and we are able to fetch the data of some sensitive files which are basically the configuration log and source code files. So that's how we perform local file inclusion attack. Thank you for watching this video.